Today in this video I will show you how to create an answer avatar for your social networks. To do this, I will introduce you to online services. Let's go! To first online service for creating avatar, open Google and search for @bit icon. Open 8biticon.com. In the site you can select male or female. You can choose background, face, clothes, mount, hair, and eyes, and you can create a random image. After creating, for download you can press download the image button. The second service I will take about this is Selfie to Anime. Open Google and search for Selfie Anime. Open selfie2anime.com. Upload your image. Select area to create avatar and press turn me into anime button. Enter your email and press upload. After a few minutes, result will be sent to your email. Open your mail and press here to see it. That's what I did. That's all, friends. Create amazing and cool avatars for your social networks. Please like and share this video and push subscribe button for more videos and more life hacks. Have a good time.